Okay. Let's see. Okay. So you see on the, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. You see on the left right here where it say chat, if you put your mouse all the way to the left, it'll say share screen. You see that? It's like a little green arrow in the TV screen on the left. When you put
Yeah.
your mouse,
Okay.
click on that.
And then full screen or Google Hangouts?
A full screen.
Okay.
Okay. So go to your Boss Capital website on a new link. You know, just don't close this out. Just go on a new link so I can see it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I see it. Okay.
Yeah, you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Log in.
Okay. Did you see it?
Uh, you're not logged in. Are you logged in?
Yeah, yeah.
Go to
Yes.
go to the top. Let me see. Scroll
Oh,
up to the top. Yeah, it's not logged in.
okay, not yet, huh? Hold on. Login failed. Why is that? Hmm. Why? Why it's failed?
That's your password that you set up, your username and password.
Yeah, that's what I did. Oh, okay. I know what happened. Hmm. You won't let me in. Hold on. I'm just gonna do forget password.
Okay.
Oh, that's weird because the username or email you have entered is not recognized. Contacts customer support. That's odd.
Do you have the email they sent you when you go to your email they sent you? Where you
Yeah,
create?
so I just try to look here because I know it's oh, okay. So do you want me to submit all this verification first?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I have to submit all this first.
Yeah.
Provide us the following documents that will validate your account for withdrawals. Copy of the front. Okay. Okay, so I think we cannot do this today, or
Um, yeah, we can't do it today, but I could show you my screen. I could show you how, once you get all that set up, I'll show you how to trade. Um, and I'll show you
okay,
some software you got to install. Okay? Okay.
okay.
I'm gonna get you set up. I'm gonna send you a link.
Are you there? Oh, I think my internet went down. Um,
Can you hear me?
Okay, now it's worked now. Sometimes it's laggy because I use satellite internet.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to show you my screen. Okay, you can't see anything. Can you see it now? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so do you see the full screen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. All right, so this is the indicator. See? You see that three in the arrow right there? The number three in that arrow? You see that?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So we're waiting for the green for it to turn a different color. See how it turns green? It's going up. You see
Yeah.
that? These bars right
Yes.
here is where it goes up. It's vertical. See this 92,600. It's all the way to 92.62 now. So it's going up. We do both Forex and binary. Binary is with Boss Capital. Say you say it's going to go up and it go up one number, like 92586, and you put say $50. So you'll end up getting $50 because you'll win. See, this is going all the way up. So you just put buy, and you can buy that spot wherever you think it's going to go. These blue line represents where the market was at. These white lines represent where the market want to go. See it want to go up. And see these bottom right here? This green
Yeah.
represents that it's going up, and this red represents it's going down. So the indicator right here, you're going to have the three and the arrow. So when you see this three and the arrow, and then you're going to wait till the second cradle candlestick. So this is one candlestick. So each of these
Yeah.
candlestick represents
Mhm.
time. You see over here, this is 1 minute, 5 minutes,
Yeah.
15 minutes. So each of these candlestick represent minutes. So if you go on 1 minute, you do a 1 minute trade. See, it's going down now. See, this blue represents where it's
Yeah.
going. This represents where the market want to go. So this blue line is overbought, and the red line, it would usually be a red line up here for oversold, but it's not here yet. It's usually show up later in the day. So when the market is undersold, it usually go up, and when it's oversold, it go down. So it's right now it's undersold, so it's all the way down here. So now the market is going up. But all I wait for is this three and an arrow. This is the only time I trade, is when I see this. Over here is a different market. See, it has USD, CHF, Euro USD,
Yeah.
USD. So say we go here. This is USD JPY. This is the Japanese and European currency. So this is USD
Yeah.
JPY. Okay, so it's going up. So we're waiting to see the three and the arrow. See the three and the arrow right here. We saw it down here, but see it's too late for us to jump in now. We're waiting for it to come up again. But you see that? It went up
Mhm.
right here. We wait for the
Yeah.
second bar to open up, and it went up.
Yeah. It's been up, eh?
Yeah, and it going all the way up.
Wow.
So you would have made a lot of money with this. You would have made a lot of money if it was doing Forex. And Forex, if you put $10 here and see, let me draw a line right here. See this? This is where it started right here. See, you go in right here. This was at
Mm-hmm.
120801. And look at it, it's all the way up here now, 856.
Mm-hmm.
So it went up about 54 pips. From right here, you'll get in here. So say you put in $10 and it went in 50 pips, you would make $500. So this is the indicator.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, you would have made 500 if you would
You
have put.
missed that. Sorry for me. Sorry, you missed that now because of
Yeah.
me.
No, 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 that's fine. This comes up all the time. It's always comes up. It's always comes up. So
So
this,
what's your indicator? What how we gonna really know that nobody knows that it's gonna go up, right? It can go up, down.
well, the indicator right here, I'm going to give you the software. The software tells you the indicators. It's a special software that has a template built in, and it tell you where the market is going to go. See, it's telling you it's going to go down. You see that three in the arrow right here.
Okay.
So it's telling you it's going to go down. So we're going to wait for this to close out, this first one right here to close out, and then we're going to wait for the other one to start up,
Uh-huh.
and then we're going to go into that trade um, and see it went
So it
down. So
doesn't matter. We don't have to wait for three color consecutive colors. Is that how we're gonna do
yeah,
it?
we wait for two colors, two consecutive color. The start of the second color, second solid color, that's when we're going to go into the trade. So right here is green. So right here is red. So we're going to wait for another red to come in, and that's when we're going to go in as soon as the other one comes in because it's going to go down. You see this little arrow? It says it's going to go down, you know.
Yeah.
And right here is the reversal pattern. See how it turned green again? We don't want to get into it because it's
Yeah.
not red. We want it to be red.
Okay.
Even though this green right here
So
down. Huh?
your technique is two reds, two or three reds in a row, and then before you come in again.
Yeah, two reds in a row before you make the trade. Yeah, hold on 1 minute. Let me see something. Yeah, you're gonna wait for two, three reds in a row before you get into the trade. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You're gonna wait for the second red to form. So with this wouldn't be a trade we'd go in. Even though you would still win because the screen down here it says that it's going up. So you would still win because it did go down, but it's not 100% guaranteed because see, it was right here. If you would have got in as soon as this one changed, because it's going to go down. This is where it was at. It went all the way up here
Yeah.
at 707, and see, it's going back up. So to see that one wasn't a good one. So we're going to wait on the next one because see, it's not two of the same color.
Yeah.
So we just it's like a wave. It's like you're on a beach and you're on a wave and you're just waiting for the right wave to come in. You're waiting for the right wave so you can win a lot of money.
Yeah.
So we're
I
just
see.
it's a waiting
So
process.
you every time if how you execute the buy and the sell, where are you gonna do that? If you think that's gonna go up, then you're gonna jump in and execute the buy um, command, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right here is the buy and right here is the sell.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
with Boss Capital, what I do, I have this screen open on my computer, then I go to Boss Capital and let me go to Boss Capital. Or I could wait until you get your account
Oh,
up.
so with what program is this then? Like
This is this is called
this is a
Meta.
different.
Yeah, this is called MetaTrader. Boss Capital is only the platform for you to trade. They don't give you this software. This software is what the people that makes a lot of money they use this software. But Boss Capital,
Oh,
they're just the brokers. They just broker the trades, but they don't give you the software. You have to get this software from
oh, so
the
you
internet.
have to buy that software then?
No, the software is free. You can download it from the internet.
Oh,
Yeah,
where you download it from?
I'm gonna send you the link now so you can download it. And
Okay.
I'm gonna send you the files so you can get the files uploaded to your computer. So the files will tell
Okay.
you if the market is going up or down and when you should get in the trade and using that strategy. So let me see.
Okay.
MetaTrader, MetaTrader 5. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna send you. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna send you the email. So check your email, and I'm gonna send you. What the heck? I gotta open up a new open up another browser for my
So
email.
this platform, this program is okay. You get it from the Boss Capital, or where did you get this software?
From the internet on Google.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Oh.
they wouldn't
So
give you
how
the
reliable
software.
it is?
It's very reliable, 95%, 90 to 95% reliable.
Really? And it's
Yeah,
free. That's pretty good.
yeah. If Boss Capital put on their platform, they'd lose a lot of money because this is too
Oh,
reliable.
really?
Yeah, I mean they're brokers. They get a percentage. They
Hmm.
get 15% too, but you know, they win. They make money if you win or you lose. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
let me send. But
So by watching this, okay, so how this software integrated to the Boss Capital or Boss Capital account?
because it's doing the same trading we're doing here that they're doing on Boss Capital. It's the same numbers. It's the same bid and ask. It's the same numbers. So it's the same numbers on this software that's in
Yeah.
Boss Capital. So that's why you got to have this
Oh.
open and you got to have Boss Capital open. So once you see that you have your signal to go into the trade, then you go over to Boss Capital and you execute the trade. You understand?
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Because it's the same exact data, it's the same numbers, it's the same exact everything as Boss Capital. This is just the software. Now, when you're doing Forex, you can integrate it because Boss Capital don't have Forex. You have to go with another company for
Okay.
Forex. Forex is different. Forex is saying that you know
Yeah.
if you put $10 and it goes up 50 pips, you'll make 500. With Boss Capital, if you put in $50 and it goes up 1 pip, you'll win, $45. You know what I mean? So
Oh.
it's just saying that it's more odds of winning with binary option. Forex goes by pip numbers. So see this right here? You can see my screen, right? Let me go over here. Hold on a minute.
So what Forex software do you use? Like or company do you use?
Um, I'm gonna send you the link to that also. I forgot the company. I'm gonna send you the link. But right now, I want you to focus on binary because Forex, it's a lot more involved. You know what I mean? Right now, you know,
Mm-hmm.
Because Forex, you can lose a lot of money. Like say this right here is going down. You see it's going down. See, with Forex,
Yeah.
if you put $10 in and it go all the way down here, and you say it's gonna go up and it goes down, say 50 pips, you'll lose $500.
I cannot see your screen. I
Huh?
cannot see the screen. I cannot see the screen of the
Okay,
software.
let me show you. Okay. See now?
So how much money you made today so far?
I um I haven't placed any bets today. I think I made $10 early. Let me see. Because I'm doing Forex. Can you see my screen? I
Yeah.
didn't. Okay. Let me put it up higher. See. Okay. So I made $10. I made $7. So right now I'm in the negative,
Okay.
but it's gonna go up. So it's gonna change. So I'm not worried about that. I'm doing Forex right here. I haven't done binary. I usually wait till later tonight to do binary, like later at night to do binary. But I haven't. I'm not doing binary now. I'm doing Forex now. So Forex is you're going by
Okay.
it going down. See, I did buy all of my Forex. I said it was gonna go up, so I bought it. I bought into it and I bought, but I'm down $15 because it's going down. I said it's going up, but it's going down, so it's gonna change later. So I'm not worried about it. It's gonna go back up later. The thing with Forex is I
So
wait
if
till
it go down, just leave it there for a while until it come back up.
exactly, exactly, exactly. That's what I do. That's what my
But you have to
strategy.
have a lot of money spread just in case if we're really gonna do nose dive, right? And then still cover everything.
Yeah, you got to have a lot of money spread, for that. For the margins is high because the margins sometimes they say you give you like 10-point margin, you know what I mean? But you got to have enough money for the spread
Yeah. Yeah, to cover everything. Yeah.
to cover
Okay.
everything. Yeah. So with Forex, you got to put a lot of money in to be able to really profit big. You got to put because if the spread isn't there, you're not going to be able to have, enough money for the margin because it's got to equal out. So right now, I'd say you should focus on
Mhm.
on binary because see, it's going down. You know what I mean? See, it's going down.
Yeah,
See that little red dot there? So it's going down.
that's right.
And
Yeah.
let me see another one. See, so these are all the markets over here. Have you studied binary before or Forex?
No,
It's your
I
first
haven't.
time? Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you think of it so far? You like it?
Oh yeah, yeah. I did trading stocks before, long time ago, and then I read a book about that was 20 years ago. I read about like options and commodities options and call put like that. So I have a vague understanding of it, but I'm really really serious to get into forex or binary. So
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna send you the software because I want you to download it on your computer and put the indicators on there. See it's going down.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see. So after that third candle, red candle, and then it go up again. So you have to watch for that, right?
After when the second candle starts to form and it's red and it's the different color, it's both the same color, that's when you go in because it's going down. And then you would win.
Mm-hmm.
If you're doing binary, you would win, and if you're doing forex, you would win. So you would win on both of them, because
Okay.
if you were doing binary, you would win from 1 point. With binary, you win from 1 point. So if you put say $40 or $30, you would win, 25 dollars or so, $23. So Right now, you would win a lot of money if you was doing Forex. You got in like right here, 436, then it dropped all the way down here to 405, 436. That's like 75 pips it went down. So say you put $10 in,
Mm-hmm.
you would have made $750 right here just
Wow,
from
really?
spinning.
700?
Yeah, because right here it went down from 4.3. You see that? 4.34, and it dropped all the way
Yeah.
down here. So you can get out right here. So you get out and you close it out, and you would collect that money. So the thing is, you can close it out before it starts going back up again. See, it's still going down. So you can keep it open if you want. So it's still going down. So this is so 398 and 436. So that's a lot. It went down. That's about
Yeah.
how much is that? Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, so that's about 36 pips, 37
So
pips.
you're losing money if you're here. Now it's four candles, four red candlesticks now. So you're losing a lot of money if you bought that from here and that in the last green, right?
No, yeah, but you're gonna want to buy it from here. You're not gonna want to buy it down here. You're gonna want to buy it down here. So you're watching for the three and the arrow. You know what I mean? So you're watching for this right here. Every time these signal comes in, that's when you're watching it. You're gonna wait for these to come. You're not gonna go in down here because
Mm-hmm.
you don't know where it's gonna go unless you're an expert. You're a professional expert, been doing it for 30, 40. You know, I don't follow this. You got to be a genius expert to know where it's gonna go from here. So I just follow these right here, the three
Okay.
and the arrow, because it's 95% accurate that you're gonna win. You know,
Mm-hmm.
see right here. Let's do
Okay.
another one. Let me see. So yeah, see this right here? This is the three. Hold on a minute. I want to show you
Yeah.
this one. This is a whole bunch of them. Here's this one right here, the three and the arrow. It went down, but it didn't
Yeah.
didn't have the two colors, but it still went down. This right here, it's saying it's gonna go up, and it went up. It went up to right here. So you wait for the second one to form and see the top. So it went up. That one was pretty close. That was really close. This one right here, see, it's undersold. It's all the way under the green line, so it's undersold. So it's gonna shoot back up, and it's shot all the way back up.
Yeah.
Let me send you the MetaTrader in the files. Let me see.
So if lots of people have this software, meta traders, and then they go buy it, right? And then they go with it, and then so where the money coming from if
Yeah, a lot
everybody
of people,
winning
a lot
because
of
of the
people,
software?
a lot of people don't know about this software. A lot of people, because
Ah,
they don't give you the software when you sign up for Boss Capital or you sign up for other binary option and Forex. They don't give you this software. The guy that trained me and taught me how
okay.
to do it, he had the software because he knew millionaires that used the software to make millions. You know what I'm saying? So,
Yeah.
you can't get the software like that easy because you've got to know connections of people to tell you, what software to use, what
Yeah.
files to use. Let me send it to you so you can start downloading it, and then
Okay.
I could send you the indicators. 'Cause this is software, and then we've got to put the indicators in. So we've got to overwrite some of the software in the software. So I'll help you do that. So it's a very, very interesting concept where everyone don't have access to that. So that's what makes us blessed in the fact that we have access to the software and we have access to the indicators that tells us where the market is going to go. And it's 95% accurate. See this? It says it's going to go down and then it went down, but we wait for the different colors. So this one wasn't a good one, even though it did go down, but we're waiting for the
I didn't
second.
see it.
Oh, you can't see it? Can you see?
Not yet.
Okay, let me share it. Sorry about that. Um, you see now?
Yeah.
You see now? Okay. So you see the three and the arrow, but it didn't have the other. It was red right here. We was waiting for the other red to come to go in, but it didn't happen. So we didn't take that, even though it did go down. If we was in Forex, we would have. It went all the way down here. So
Mm-hmm.
it still went down. It was in Forex. It was right here. And then this is the top 938, and it went all the way down to 748. So it went down 938 to 748. So it went down almost 200 pips. So if you would have put $10 in
Yeah.
each of these pips, you would have made $2,000 from 200
Oh, really?
times 10.
For
Yeah.
10,000, for $10,
Yeah, if you would have put
2,000. Wow.
$10 for each pip. So each pip is a number. So if you put $10 for each pip, see right here where you can change it. I got it at 1 cent because I got to add more money to it. But see right here, it's 30 cents, 40 cents. So start going. Or you can change the number. See, it's at $1 now. You can change this to $10. So now you click buy. To put $10 though, you got to have at least $1,000 in there to put buy $10 a pip. You got to have $1,000 in your account to buy $10 a pip to cover the spread.
Okay.
So $10. That's where if you would have put that in there, you would have made $2,000. But you got to have $1,000 in your account. You see?
Yeah.
So with $5 in there, and it went up 200, you would have made $1,000 with $5 in there.
Mm-hmm.
But with 500, and it goes up the pips. See, and then this indicator told you it's going to go all the way down, and it went all the way down. So that would have been some good money for you. That would have been
And
some
you
good.
too. Sorry,
Yeah,
I
me
distracted
too.
you.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, I've got to put a lot of money in my account. I want to get my brokerage account up to like $5,000, $10,000. When you get it up to that, you can put like
Yeah.
$100 in, and you put $100 in, and it goes up 200 pip. You're talking about 100 times 200 is how much? Let me see my calculator. That's probably what 20,000. That's $20,000.
Yes, yeah, 20,000.
Yeah, so you would have
Yeah.
made $20,000. But you would have, but if it goes the other way, if it goes up, you would have lost $20,000. You know,
Mm-hmm.
but you've got to have enough money in there to cover
Yeah.
your spread. So yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
these indicators tell
So
you
you
where it's
just
going to go. What's that?
okay, so this one here is just gonna say
Oh
if
yeah,
it's
this is
red down arrow, that means it's gonna go down. So you have to buy?
no. You have to sell. You buy it when
Oh,
it's
you have to
you
sell,
buy
yeah.
you buy it when it's going up. The arrow is going up. You see this new
This
one
one
forming?
here.
This one here. You see the new one forming up?
Yeah,
So it's green. So that's going
yeah.
up. That's going up. So we're gonna wait on the next one. See the next one coming up, but it's got to be green also.
Mm-hmm. Oh, now it's green. Oh.
Yeah, so we'd go in because it's going up. Oh, wait a minute. It wasn't green down here, so it reversed. It's a reversal because you see down here
Mm-hmm.
it was red. It's got to be green. That's why we had to wait.
Mm-hmm.
Down here it'll tell you if it's green. See, it's reversing, so it's a reversal. So that's what you got to watch out for is reversal patterns because it reverses. So you got to wait for this to be green. So is this got to be? So now we're waiting for this to go because it's starting a new pattern because it reversed. So that's
Mm-hmm.
the only thing you got to be careful of is the reversal patterns. See, now it's green, so this is set. So now we're waiting for this to turn green, and then we're waiting for another green to form, so it's going to go up. Let me send you this software so you can start downloading on your computer, and I could send you the indicators. I think I sent it to you. Let me see. Did I send it to you?
Yeah, you're already here. I already have it.
Okay, yeah, start. Yeah, did you download it yet?
I will now.
Okay.
So free download?
Yeah. So once you download it, I'll send you over the indicators. Because when you download it, you're not going to have the three and the arrow and stuff. It's extra software you got to install on top of that software. That's how amazing it is. So you got to install other software on top of that
Okay.
because, you know, they use that
Okay, now
software.
I already.
Okay, so,
Okay, it's already installed. Oh, downloaded.
okay. You see that? It's going up. See that? You're waiting for the next one to form. So we're in good. We're good here. It's taking off. It's going up. You still see my screen, right? Okay. See, it's going up. See, and it's green right here. So this is solid. And then it's not red down here. So see that right there? See that? See that? See that? See that? See that?
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
So,
Yes, it's coming up.
yeah, so we're just waiting for this to close out and we're waiting for the other one to start up. Okay, the other one's starting up. This right here is not good because it's not solid green. It's not good. And it's red down here, so it's not good. So it's like you're just waiting for the right opportunity. You're waiting for the right time to go in. This is not a guessing game to guess if it's going to go up or down. That's like gambling. When you do that, you don't want to gamble because that's where you lose a lot of money if you're just going to gamble and you're just going to guess. Most people, they guess and they gamble and they think it's gambling.
Yeah.
And it's not gambling. You got to know what you're doing and you got to know the trends in the market and know the direction it's going by the indicators. Okay. So I got to get going a little bit. Probably have 5 more minutes with you to help you with this, and then once you get everything verified, we can get you start trading and making some money on Boss Capital. Uh,
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I already downloaded here.
okay.
So I will just register then.
Yeah.
MLQ5.
Huh? Here, show me your
This
screen.
is
Let me.
MLQ5, right?
Yeah, show me your screen. Let me see. Uh, can you share your screen?
How to do that?
Oh, like you did it before. You remember how you did it
Oh, I thought
before?
we already, you can see I thought you can see my screen here. How we do that?
Click on the top of the
Oh, okay,
left-hand
screen
side.
share.
Yeah.
You get it?
Um, yeah. To present, click on present to everyone.
Okay, hold on.
You see share, share,
Yeah, it
screen.
says screen share.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, here.
Okay.
So it's still loading, right?
Yeah.
Where did you get this MetaTrader 5? Is this like in the internet?
Yeah, my mentor, he made $30,000 in 30 minutes. He gave it to me, and then he made 19,000 the other
Wow.
day.
Oh my God. But he bought this software.
No, it's free. He bought the
Oh, really?
training.
Eh?
He bought the training. The training isn't free. He said he paid like $1,000 for someone to train him. Like I'm training you now for free. He charges to train, but you
Yeah.
know,
Thank you.
yeah. Oh, it's still downloading.
Mm-hmm. It's almost done. Okay, it's done.
Hi, Dad.
Hello, baby. Hello, baby.
Yeah, that's my little daughter. She's 4. Should be 5 this year. Yeah, my little Lexi. My little
May I see
Lexi.
her? May I see her?
Yeah, sure. Um, can you see the camera? Say hi, Lexi.
Hi.
Hello.
Can you see her?
Not
Say
yet.
hi,
Hold on.
Lexi.
Hi.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, she's 4. She's playing on
Yeah.
my phone.
Now you cannot see her because the MetaTrader software opened all in my screen.
It did?
Yeah.
Um,
So
I can't, I
I
can't, I
have to
can't.
open an account. said?
I can't see your screen.
You can?
No, I can't see your screen. I can't see it. Can
You
you
can or
share?
you cannot?
I cannot.
Oh. So it's asked me for personal details to open account.
Yeah,
Where's that sound from?
you don't have. That's my daughter playing the game.
Oh, okay. So I have to do my name, put in my name.
Yeah. You don't have to if you want to. It's optional.
Oh, okay.
Daddy. Dad, say hello again.
Yeah.
I do a lot of times.
Okay, so I sent you the indicators and the three in the arrow files. I just sent it to you. Did you get that email?
Okay, now I'm in on the trader.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
See you. I see you now.
Hi.
What's your name?
Tell her your name.
Mama, my name's Bessie.
Okay, so
Blessy.
all right.
So do
Well,
you see my screen now? The meta.
yeah. So we're gonna continue this tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
I'll talk to you later.